Ever feel like your brain is running low on battery? Struggling to focus, remember things, or stay sharp? Well, you're not alone. The good news? You can train your brain to be sharper, faster, and more powerful. In this video, I'm giving you 7 science-backed tips to boost your brain power, and trust me, tip number 6 might just surprise you. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive right in. Tip 1. Get quality sleep. Tip number 1. Prioritize sleep. Your brain literally cleans itself and consolidates memories while you sleep. Studies show that just one night of poor sleep can impact memory, concentration, and even emotional regulation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of good quality sleep. And if you can, avoid screens an hour before bed. Blue light messes with your melatonin. Tip 2. Feed your brain right. Your brain is a high-performance engine. And like any engine, it needs the right fuel. Foods rich in omega-3s, antioxidants, and healthy fats actually improve memory and cognitive function. Like blueberries, salmon, walnuts, dark chocolate. Feed your brain like you love it, because you should. Tip 3. Move your body. Exercise isn't just for your body, it's one of the best things you can do for your brain. Physical activity increases blood flow and oxygen to the brain, boosts mood, and even helps grow new brain cells. Even just a 20-minute walk can enhance memory and creativity. So get moving. Tip 4. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Tip number 4. Train your attention. In a distracted world, mindfulness and meditation are superpowers. They reduce stress, improve focus, and literally change the structure of your brain over time. MRI scans show that people who meditate have thicker prefrontal cortexes, the area linked to decision-making and awareness. Tip 5. Keep learning new things. Your brain loves novelty. Learning a new skill, whether it's a language, an instrument, or even a hobby like chess, keeps your neural circuits active and sharp. Neuroplasticity means your brain can literally rewire itself. So give it something new to chew on. Tip 6. Challenge your brain daily. You don't have to be a genius to train like one. Doing puzzles, brain games, or even switching up your daily routine can activate different parts of your brain. Use your non-dominant hand for tasks like brushing your teeth. Sounds silly, but it really works. Tip 7. Connect with others. Last, but not least, human connection. Social interaction boosts memory, emotional intelligence, and even protects against cognitive decline. Make time for real conversations. Call a friend, join a group, or volunteer. Your brain will thank you for it. Let's recap. To boost your brain power: sleep well, eat smart, exercise, meditate, learn new skills, do brain workouts, stay connected. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being intentional. A sharper brain starts with daily habits. Which tip are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a brain boost today.